Hi guys, this is Anthony at Fastlane Automotive. I'm pretty excited about what I have to share with you today. Have you ever been that customer at an automotive repair shop where you drop off your car for an oil change or something simple like that, and you get a call halfway through the day from the service advisor who wants to sell you a bunch of stuff, right? Your car is unsafe, you're going to kill somebody if you drive it, your tires are going to fall off. You don't know whether to trust him. It's a high pressure sales situation. It's pretty horrible, right? Let me tell you what we do here. You're going to get a text message, and the text message is going to say, "Hi, Mr. Customer, here's a link to your digital multi-point inspection. Call us when you get a chance after you've been able to review it." And here's what it looks like. We're going to check your lights or wiper blades, all your fluids, engine oil. I've marked engine coolant red, and there's a picture and a bunch of technician notes, and that looks like the radiator. That looks nasty. Coolant needs to be flushed. We're going to check your brakes, your tires, your battery, your air filter. There's a picture of a dirty air filter right there. And you see these little things right here. They're little videos that you can watch just in case you want to know more or have more information about the services that we're recommending to you. Isn't that process much better? I mean, you get a text message, you have time to sit there and do some research if you want to. Guys, we do this for every single service that comes through here. Whether it's an oil change, something cheap, or something expensive like an engine replacement, we don't care. We get peace of mind knowing that you're safe on the road. So you guys need to come, stop by, and check out the Fastlane difference. Thanks for watching. I'm Anthony. See you guys next time.